Everyone, we are riding the rails again. We are here on the Tren Maya. This is a fourth in a series of videos we're doing about the Tren Maya. As it continues to open and new stations are available, we're going out and showing you what you can do on the Tren Maya. We're also doing train station guides because there's not a lot of information online. So every station we go to, we talk about whether there's transportation into town, whether there's taxis or buses. So today in this video, we're going to the Chichen Itza train station. It is open. The reason we're going to go to the Chichen Itza train station is because we predict this will be one of the most popular train stations on the Tren Maya, because a lot of people do want to go to Chichen Itza, and possibly the train will replace some of the bus traffic that goes. Now there are about 7,000 to 9,000 people every day that visit Chichen Itza, so that means if you put 40 people on a bus, that is some 150 to 175 buses going to Chichen Itza every day. So it's a lot of people, it's a lot of traffic. So the train now goes from Cancun Airport direct to Chichen Itza. But the station is not in Piste, it is connecting more directly to the ruins. But we're going to show you the connections and how you can enjoy a trip. And we're also going to compare whether you should still take a bus tour or whether you can drive. What are all the advantages of everything? Whether taking the train is also good. So that's what we're going to cover in this video. So let's get started. Now, one of the things they don't tell you with tours to Chichen Itza, it's a good 3-hour drive from the Riviera Maya, and that doesn't include other driving around to a second destination to see something like the cenote, and also your pickup time from your hotel. So there's a good 6-7 hours of driving when you come to the Chichen Itza ruins, so the train is a lot more comfortable. And of course, it does take 2 hours and 20 minutes from the Cancun airport to the Chichen Itza train station. But the trains will get faster, so that is something we will update in the videos. But for now, that's how fast the trains are going. It does take 2 hours and 33 minutes, according to Google Maps, to drive from the Cancun airport station to Chichen Itza. But that's actually to Chichen Itza, so it actually would save you time if you drove. But things will get better, hopefully, in the future. But this is how you can visit now, how the things are going with the Tren Maya, and we'll be updating you in future videos as well. So a couple things about taking the Tren Maya right now. There are two types of services. There's Premier and Tourist Class, which is first or second. There's not a lot of difference between the two. This is second class, so there's 4 seats wide. There's 3 seats wide in first class. And there's a few extra things, but in general, unless you're going 4 or 5 hours or more, would we recommend actually buying Premier? The Tourist Class is just fine. Now at the seats, there's USB and there's a plug. There is Wi-Fi on the train, but it doesn't really work that well. So if you are taking a train journey, we do recommend downloading something so you can look and read something or bring a great book. And there are a few services here on the train. There's a cafe car, which you can get coffee, sandwiches, chips. They do have a few alcoholic beverages.
When you arrive at the Chichen Itza train stop, you'll be directed upstairs where you can buy tickets for the bus that makes the connection to Chichen Itza ruins. This process takes about a half an hour.
So we've made it into Chichen Itza at a parking lot. From the train station, it takes about 11 minutes, but they actually didn't bring us all the way in because there's so much traffic today. They actually parked at a stop outside, and it took another 10 minutes to walk in. So in total, from Cancun Airport to Chichen Itza, it takes about 3 hours, 10 minutes. That's including the half an hour to buy your ticket for the bus and to get on the bus from the train station to here, and then also this little walk here. So it does include a little bit of time. overall, the train is very comfortable getting here, but how it will work with tours, well, it's going to really change how things are done, because most people take a bus tour from the Riviera Maya, they come here, then they also go to a cenote, or they might stop in Valladolid or somewhere else. If you take the Tren Maya, you're just here at Chichen Itza, and then you hop on the Tren Maya, and then you leave from here. So it is going to be different how all the tours are operated. If the tours put people on the Tren Maya, then they have to have a bus here to take you to a separate destination and then put you back on the train. Right now, there's only 2 trains a day that are running from Cancun to Merida, which have stops here, and also going back. But only one of them really lines up, and then you have to really see things fast and then hop back on the train. So right now, there's not a lot of trains that are servicing the Chichen Itza train stop, so it's not really efficient to visit. So when there's more trains, it's going to be easier to hop on, and then you'll see Chichen Itza and then take your time, and then you have more options for taking the train back. But that's how things are for now on the Tren Maya. There are a few updates. This is the second week of April 2024. We're happy to say that at least the purchase of tickets on the Tren Maya website's in English. The rest of the website's not in English, but it's easy to translate that. Also, if you are in Playa del Carmen going to Cancun Airport, you can't buy tickets all the way through to Merida. There's 2 train lines, so the trains don't really line up there. So if you go online, you say, I want to go from Playa to Chichen Itza, it'll say there's no trains available. So you have to buy Playa to Cancun Airport, and then Cancun Airport to Chichen Itza. So it's a little difficult right now, and you also have to see if the trains line up and how much time you have to wait. So that's a thing that still is in the works. The rest of the train is still in pre-opening, and they're still working on the route from Playa del Carmen going down to Bacalar, Tulum, Chetumal, and then over. So there's still pre-opening things that have to be worked out on the Tren Maya. But for now, this is how the Tren Maya works. We're visiting the Chichén Itza ruins, and we'll have a lot more details in our article. So we have the exact prices and more information for you. So thanks for watching our video, and we'll see you online.